Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change or insert a new coin battery on JioTag Air tracker. So let's check it out. We already published our unboxing, first impressions and other related helpful videos. I'll share them in the description along with the product link. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. We got an extra coin battery in the box when we got this Jio Air. They already have a battery inside the tracker by default. This is the CR20321. Suppose if you want to change the battery, then I would suggest removing the lanyard cable first. There will be this small wire to carry. Just remove that. Then go to the back side and you have the power button here, and exactly below that you will find a spot. This spot is called battery cover notch. So you'll be able to insert your fingernail here. Just insert your fingernail and open it. That's all. We have removed it. Now remove the old battery from this section. And insert the new one. You can see two small green arrows on both the front panel and the back panel, here and here. Just make sure you align them properly when you close it. Now close the back panel properly. And you will hear this click sound. Just make sure all the sides are properly closed. That's all. Now we have successfully replaced JioTag Air coin battery. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or thoughts about the procedure to change the coin battery on JioTag Air tracker, do kindly let us know in the comment section. Please do subscribe if this video helped you. Have a wonderful day and night.